Welcome to this quick registration tutorial. This video will show you step by step how to register for your classes. Log into mySAIT. Once you are logged in, choose the My Student tab. Select Search and Register for classes found in the Academic Records and Schedules section. Choose Register for courses. Your next step will be to choose the term you are registering for. Make sure to select the accurate semester for the appropriate courses to appear. Depending on your program, you will either follow an open registration or a block registration. An open registration program is one where you will choose each course individually. For a block registration, you will choose a group of classes already created for you. We will begin with the steps to complete a block registration. After you choose the correct term, select the Block tab to see the group of classes you can choose from. Select one of these choices and click Submit. You must choose Submit even if there is only one option available. Review the courses within a block before choosing it to make sure there are no full classes. If there are no blocks where every course is available, you'll have to speak with your academic advisor or program administrator. After you submit your choice, a green registered icon will appear next to each of your courses in the lower right corner of your screen. If any of the courses do not have a registered icon, you will need to select a different block. It is very important you confirm all of your classes are registered. You will be able to see information pertaining to the delivery method of each course under meeting times in the upper section of your screen. Pay close attention to the type, as this will tell you whether a course is online, in person, or a blend of the two. You can find a visual guide to help make sense of the different course meet types. The definition of each category will help you understand how your courses will be delivered. You can also find a downloadable PDF version by searching meet types on SAIT.ca. You will also be able to see this through the Schedule Detail tab found in the lower left corner of your screen. If you wish to make changes to individual courses, click the drop-down menu next to the class during the add drop period. This will allow you to drop the chosen course. Make sure to review the important dates on SAIT.ca to find the add/drop period for your current term. Not all programs allow you to drop individual courses. Make sure to speak with your academic advisor or program administrator for assistance. After you have chosen your courses, click Account Summary and Pay Now found on the lower left side of your screen. This is an important step and will apply the fees to your student profile. You don't need to pay right away. If you are in an open registration program, you will choose each individual course instead of a predetermined group. You can find your courses by typing in a keyword such as the course code. You can also select the Enter CRN tab if you know it. This stands for Course Reference Number. If you are unsure of any of this, speak with your program administrator or academic advisor. Once the available courses appear, click the Add button to choose the class. Your chosen course will appear in the lower section of your screen. Follow these steps until you have chosen all your required courses and click Submit. Remember to look for the green registered icon and click Account Summary to apply the fees to your student profile. You don't need to pay right away. You can click on the name of any of your courses to view more information about them. Selecting the course details will allow you to see the instructional method. This will let you know if your class is fully online, fully in person, or a blend of the two. Now you know how to register for your classes. Have a great semester at SAIT.